Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can use Temi.com in order to make your transcription life easier. Ayan. And this is a machine transcript, sorry. Review lang tayo ano yung ibig sabihin ng machine transcript. That means you have a software. Think of it as your assistant in transcribing. So, hindi mo ita-transcribe word per word. Hindi kagaya nung video natin kanina sa otranscribe.com wherein you will be the one to manually type everything. This one, you will be helped by an AI or a software. Now, for the first 45 minutes, this account is free, and then you will be asked to pay for 25 cents per minute. Okay, now for you beginners, and if you don't have the money just yet to pay for a premium price, that is okay. I'm gonna teach you isang malupitang trick to help you. Actually, na-reveal naman na sa aking tab yung fakemail.net. I'll show you. It will all make sense to you in this cool video. I like this video so much kasi meron tayo dito mga hidden techniques. Ayan. So yung Temi, like I said, is a tool that can help you on transcription without you doing everything manually. So it will transcribe in your behalf. The deal that we made is you have to proofread everything. Okay? Magpo-proofread ka para nang sa ganun, don't send it directly to your clients because there will be errors. Okay? Kasi syempre machine lang to. Now let's go ahead and do this. You will be needing this fakemail.com because fakemail.net, the reason being is that on this Temi, for like I said, 45 minutes free siya. Pag naubos mo yung 45 minutes, you will pay. Now, the trick here, if you want to continually use it, like say for trial period lang, you can use different email addresses. And dito pumapasok yung fakemail.net. This is what I actually use kapag meron akong mga software or any tool that I use pero hindi ko siya kailangan. Like, it doesn't make sense for me to pay the premium monthly. Hindi kagaya ng Bloom, hindi kagaya ng Canva, that I need it every day because heavy user ako ng mga software na to. Ano yung mga ginagamitan ko nitong fakemail.net? Kapag yung mga e-signature, na hindi yung signature ko talaga ha, parang yung initials lang, kailangan ko lang pumirma ng isang document o kaya mga PDF converter that will require an email address. So mahalaga talaga yung email address for doing digital work and stuff. So may mga tool na hindi ko siya ginagamit or parang ano lang, use and dump. You know what I mean? Parang hindi siya talaga for good na, like, let's say, for example, magbabayad ako ng $10 a month, parang sobrang mahal. So, I use this para meron kang unlimited na email. Okay? Just use this with, with precaution and all that. And make sure that you use this kapag hindi importante yung file, like walang mga password, walang mga financial information. Okay? So, this is temp mail dati or fake mail na ngayon. This is your fake email address. Notice that you have 54 minutes in order for you to use this. Okay, and then you can use this particular email 10 minutes, pwedeng within 1 day, within 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and click, for example, 1 day. So in 1 day, ko lang siya gagamitin. After nun, this email address will already expire. Okay, hindi mo na siya magagamit. And this is gonna be your inbox tool. So let's use this. You can actually edit this if you don't like a journey.arian. Let's say, for example, coach. Ayan. So this will be my email address. Okay, now napansin mo, it refreshes, naging 59 minutes. So I have 1 hour to use this email address, otherwise it will expire. So let's go ahead and click that. Excuse me. Punta na tayo sa Temi. Let's select an audio file that we want to transcribe. So hintayin lang natin si Temi. Ayan, so ina-upload niya. This was the same transcription audio that I used in some other examples that we have. Si Oprah ang nagsasalita. And it's processing. So, kwentuhan muna tayo. Sobrang dali nito guys, wala pa tong 30 minutes. Now, it will pop up like this. Is your audio clear? Just click on proceed anyway. Ito na. So, it will be asking for your email address. So, type it in there. Click on agree. Click on send. Okay, so the final step is to click on OK. You will receive an email from Temi that says welcome. Ayan. So, ito yung welcome email ni Temi. Wala pa dito yung transcription mo. So, wait lang natin siya kasi magsasend siya ng isa pang email na nandun na yung ating text na tinranscribe niya for us. So, wait ka lang ng konti. Shika-shika muna tayo. Tapos, lalabas na yung email na yan in a few minutes. Okay. This is an amazing tool. I love this actually. Ganda niyang gamitin. Ano yan? Ang tawag lang, di ba, yung parang work smart, not hard. Yan na. So, there you go. See, 1 minute lang. Now, if you click this, your Temi order is ready na. Ayan. Your Temi order is ready. Now, this one, so it says free. You don't click on view transcript. Don't click it ha. Right click ka. Kasi pag nag-click ka ng as it is, yung left click lang, walang mangyayari. It will not do anything. You click on right click and then click on new tab. Tapos, you set a password. Kahit na ano to, because you will discard this text anyway. So, kahit ano na yan. It doesn't really matter. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click on save. Tapos, na-save ko ba? What happened? Okay, let's say A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. Okay. So, ito na siya. Ito na yung transcript natin. You can play. Ayan. Para kung gusto mo mag-edit dito.
Empowerment is authority. It is a signed permission slip to actually seize the day.
Okay, so you can back, you can forward the speed, you can increase the volume. Notice that it says speaker 1 blank because it's just one speaker. So, kung kunwari merong multiple speakers na nagsasalita and you want to name them, just go ahead and click this one. Okay, and then that's it. That's it. So, make sure lang to edit ha and to proofread yan bago mo siya ibigay kay client. Ang dali lang, no? Sobrang dali. And then you can just go ahead and charge na. Kasi tapos na. Now, you can click on download. Tapos, you can remove fillers if you would like. You can include the timestamp. You can include the speaker name, ganyan. And then click on export. There you go. This is your document now. If you want to edit dito sa document na to, it's also okay. Alright? Dali lang. O, di ba? Naubos ba yung time mo na mag-transcribe? Hindi. Di ba? Cool, right? Now, let's go back to Temi. Since you have been logged in, di ba? Ito si Coach. Kung gusto mong gamitin ulit yung Temi and yung different email address, make sure that you log out. Kasi kapag naka-log in ka pa rin, it will recognize you as the same. Pero meron ka pa namang ilang minuto because 10 minutes lang yung audio file na to. So you can use it if you can until mag-expire yung 45 minutes. If you want to use a different email address now, just go ahead and click log out and use another email address. I hope I was able to help you and inspire you and tell you that you can definitely do this. Okay? I'll see you on the next video.